Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammed Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about chemistry, especially organic chemistry and medicine. So, a few common observations. Organic chemistry is typically taught from a chemical point of view. Organic chemistry is the one course everyone has heard of, a many trade talking and taking. Organic chemistry is usually a make it or break it. Make it or break it. Say or repeat it with me. Make it or break it. Class of 4 pre-med students. Does it have to be this way? Absolutely not. You can learn the same material that has been taught semester after semester at the universities around the world, but from a medicinal or medical or biological point of view. So, I am going to explain three words because I am going to talk about the organic chemistry and medicine. So, first I will define organic, then I will define chemistry, then I will define medicine. So organic, this is adjective. So I will directly go third, relating to a being or deal with by a branch of chemistry concerned with the carbon compounds of living being and most other carbon compounds. Now chemistry, this noun, a science that deals with the compositions, structure, and properties of substances and with the transformations that they undergo. Now, last one, medicine. Medicine. It is also noun, a substance or preparations used in treating disease. Second definition, the science and art dealing with the maintenance of health and the preventions, alleviations or cure of disease. So, organic chemistry, review literature, synthetic strategy, run models, reactions, and synthesize molecules. Medicine, history and physical exams, differential diagnosis, order labs and procedures, and diagnose and treat. This is the pathway, this is the pathway. Now look at this, organic chemistry and medicine. This is the medicine. You see some complex medical issue. You see biology is associated with medicine. Too much pathway. Now organic chemistry. If you see these two propanol give propanone undergo oxidations. If you have two butanol, it undergo oxidation in the presence of KMNO4 and sulfuric acid at 80 degrees Celsius. You will get 2-butanol, and same way 2-butanol in presence of chromic oxide and acetic acid. You will get this. So, medicine and organic chemistry. Here chemistry, here medicine. Now I will study case 1. A 30 years old man is evaluated in the emergency department for complication of difficulties breathing, chills and chest pain for the past 24 hours. He denied any previous history of medical problem. On physical examination, he appears ill. His temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. His blood pressure is 90/50 mmHg and his heart rate is 110 per minute. cardiac examinations reveals a 3 by 4 diagnostic murmur. However, the patient denies any history of murmur. ECG results are normal. So, diagnosis acute endocarditis. So, look at here. How does this case relate to organic chemistry? Any idea? This is the case, and question is, how does this case related to organic chemistry? This is the case of one patient. So, treatment of endocarditis, you need this medicine, ceftriaxone, vancomycin, you see the big molecule, penicillin, ampicillin, gentamicin, nafcillin, oxacillin. So all these are organic compounds. This is organic compound, this is organic compound, this is organic compound. All organic compounds. So penicillin, look at its structure. How many functional group is there? Just count it. And you see the amide, these cytable ether types, and this is heterocyclic amide. The beta-lactam structure is involved in the mechanism of actions. The penicillin mechanism of actions, PBPS, are involved in the final stages of synthetic of peptidoglycan, which is the major component of bacterial cell wall. Bacterial cell wall synthesis is essentially to growth, cell division, thus reproductions, and maintaining the cellular structure in bacteria. Inhibitions leads to the irregularities in cell wall structure such as elongations, lesions, loss of selective permeability, and eventual cell death analysis. So penicillin mechanism of actions like that. If you have this O, it will be attack on this carbon, forming such type of situations, and then you see the breaking of this ring, which is 4-member ring. Nucleophilic attack on the cyclic amide, carbonyl carbon. Now chemistry of amides, look at here. The biology set the reactions up perfectly. However, this is not the case in a chemistry laboratory. You see how this is attached. This is this OH is coming from your biological parts, and this is your organic molecules. How it is doing this? So, if you have these compounds, you have the amide, then you have to characterizations: proton NMR, carbon 13 NMR, IR, MS, mass spectroscopy. Then you have reactions. It gave acid, NH2, cyanide, and formations with the help of this. So the formation of amide from the nitrile, from acid chloride, from anhydride, from ester. So this compound you can prepare, because now you have this amide. How it is mechanisms? Look at here. It is attacking on this carbon. Meanwhile, it is going NH plus, NH3, NH4 plus, and forming this amide. So this is the mechanisms. Halides are great living groups. So look at here how it is forming, and then again mechanisms. Water is approaching this carbon and forming this regenerated acid catalyst. So these are the carbon 13 NMR and IR of amide. See, this is the amide, NH, and this is a CO, I think. Carbonyl carbon 180 ppm, alkyl carbon 20 ppm. So on the basis of 180, this CO is here, and this alkyl carbon, you have the two carbon. So you characterize your compound, means amide, with the help of carbon 13 NMR and then IR spectra also. The physician obtain laboratory values and perform diagnosis test. Organic chemist obtain spectroscopic data and perform model reactions. Then chemistry of amide, what compound can we make from the amide functional groups? So if you have amide, then make the carboxylic acid. If you have amide, then make the amine. If you have amide, then make the amine. So stability of amide, you just see it, how it is if exist in this form, less electrophilic than other carbonyl functional groups. So amide and amino acid. Now you look, this is your COOH NH2, COOH NH2. So alanine, arginine, and lysine. You see. So penicillin binding protein, G coupled protein receptors, and sodium and potassium channels. So if you have here, you have the amide, you see, and amides and amino acids. Now this is the biological penicillin binding protein and G group proteins and sodium potassium channel. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you and it will give a clear picture of importance of organic chemistry, because it is highly related with the medicinal chemistry or chemistry medicines. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it. Thanks for watching.